In this video, we're going to discuss what is keylogger. Keylogger is a type of surveillance software or a hardware which used to capture and record the keystrokes what we are making in the computer system as well as in the mobile device. Keyloggers are typically used by attackers with a malicious intent, but they can also have legitimate users in certain situations. Here are some few key points which you can understand the keylogger. First, its functionality. Keylogger captures and records keystrokes which is typed in our keyboard, including username and password, sensitive information or chat conversation. Second, types of keylogger. It has two types, software and hardware. Software which is installed in the attacker's machine like other application. Hardware which is a physical device which have to intercept between keyboard and computer. 3. Malicious intent. Keylogger are often used by cyber criminals to steal sensitive information. 4. Legitimate users. While keylogger is predominantly associated with the malicious intent, there are some use cases which can be used for legitimate purpose also. They can be used by an organization to monitor the employee activity, track productivity, or to investigate any suspicious behavior. That's all for today. See you in the next video.